Hey, what's up you guys, and welcome to my home. I've decided to take you guys on to show you guys how I clean the glass in my dining room as well as the windows in my dining room. So to start off, the products that I'm using is the white vinegar, an empty spray bottle, microfiber cleaning towels, and a little bit of water just to dilute the vinegar because the smell is just terrible. So I'm gonna get started with the windows. I previously cleaned the windows the other side, so I'm just going in the inside now and just opening up those windows and getting the inside clean. And no special way to clean them. I am using a paper towel because I ran out of newspaper. I usually use newspaper for my windows, and the newspaper is just like easy breezy. It's streak free, gets it clean, and you can just throw it away. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other window, and then I'm gonna move on to the table. So I am just going to lift the windows a little bit just to get some of that smell out of the house and let some fresh air come in. All right, so we're gonna get started cleaning the table, and cleaning this table is like a task for me, so I have to do it in sections because it's big and my arms are short. So yeah, I do it in sections, and just spraying a little bit of the vinegar on the table, a little goes a long way. And you do not need to saturate it because then the towel just doesn't seem to pick up all of the product. So make it easy for yourself. Do not spray too much. So as far as the base of the table, I'm basically repeating the same steps. Again, I do not use a lot of vinegar. I just use probably about a half a squirt and just wipe it down with the microfiber towel, or you can use newspaper. Again, like I stated in the beginning of the video, newspaper works wonders and it's basically free. So yeah, I'm just setting my table back up now, and if you would like to see more videos like this, thumbs up this video. Let me know in the comment section below what you think, and also if you would like to know where I purchased some of the items in my dining room, I'll be happy to share that with you as well. So yeah, let me know guys if you like this video, and I will be incorporating more videos like this as well as lifestyle to go along with my makeup tutorials. And that's about it. I really appreciate you guys watching my video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you do so and tap that bell so you can get notifications every time I upload a video. And I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.